Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot to use for this game. Choose the icon you like best. Choose a slot to use for this game. Choose the icon you like best. Choose a slot to choose the icon you like best. Choose a slot to use. Are you sure? Choose the icon you like best. Choose a slot. Are you sure? Choose the icon you like best. Choose a slot to use for this game. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Why not give it a go, talking parrot? Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Susie Sheep is a silly chicken.
Try another one. Susie Sheep is a red chicken.
Susie Sheep is a red chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a red chicken.
Peppa Pig is a red chicken.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a funny frog.
Daddy Pig is a funny frog.
Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed Polly.
Polly wants 4 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 crackers. Polly wants more.
Are you sure? Can you see your score? Are you sure? There are lots of fun. Where's Polly? Oh dear, where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. Try the garden. Try the garden. Where could she be? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Touch the cards to make a pair. George, great! Candy Cat, Teddy. Teddy, super! Sandy cat. Super! Zoe zebra. That's excellent. Rocket ship. Richard rabbit. Rocket ship. Richard rabbit. Rocket ship. Super! Richard rabbit. That's right. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun dot to dot. Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing star and draw a line to the next one. Well done! You've won a sticker. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. There are a lot of stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. What a smashing picture! That looks lovely. That looks lovely. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here.